Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So for the pound dollar, we are entering a difficult level for the pound dollar. I think right now it's kind of deciding what it wants to do next. And we should see some kind of random walk action from here before as we enter the last week of October. However, our bias on all risk-on pairs is still to the upside. So it's liquidated some longs, right, that were placed here, right, broke the bottom, liquidated them. So structurally, it looks ready for a move up, right, to retest maybe 1.39 or 1.40. Here is the catch, right? For the bear case, don't be surprised if the bear wants to break, the bears wants to liquidate these longs that were placed here and here as well, right? And this could happen in the last week of October. It may be necessary for the market makers to make sure they do not lose money to shake out all the weekend, the longs placed here for bullish November. So in that scenario, a retest to 1.365 level is possible before the up move happens in November.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.